Hey everybody, it's Stephanie, aka Business Chic Mama. Welcome to another YouTube video. Today, I'm going to get into some juicy details about the top sellers on Etsy. I don't know about you guys, but I love to research and see why something is working. That's why I decided to look around Erank.com, which is a great platform, online tool that you can use in your own business to gain a ton of information that will help you in your business. There are so many clues to success. It's crazy. So let's go ahead and scroll down and look at the top sellers and the shops that made the most sales yesterday. In the number one rank is Planner Kate. Now I know she's been in the top 5 for many years now, and I'm going to click on the site. I want you to see exactly what is so special about Planner Kate. What is the special sauce? Let's go ahead and be detectives. She made 1,033 sales yesterday, and let's take a look at what's going on in her shop. If you notice, she's got the branding's not like outrageous, but as you scroll down, she has cohesive branding. She uses this mint color in pretty much everything, follows through in her shop, but she's got 1,700 items. You cannot be a top Etsy seller with 17 items, okay? She's got 1,700, not 17 items. It just won't happen. So number one, take massive action in your shop. This should be a clue to you. If you want to start making serious sales, you've got to have serious product in your shop. So she sells downloadable items. Super, super simple and easy. And she's making residual income. She makes money while she sleeps and doesn't have to ship a product. Great, great business model. Let's go ahead and look at number 2, most sales yesterday with 889 sales, Bebote. I already can tell you what the type of shop this is. It's probably beading supplies. And that's the type of business that I am in as well on Etsy. And I can tell you it is a great niche to be in. Any type of supply is really, really a good niche. So Bebote 1. Not even a great, interesting name, but Bebote 1, okay. And again, 6,700 items, and it's just beads. Yep. Beads, 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 where you can get pretty much everywhere else. So I am looking at, they don't even have any amazing branding, but I guarantee you, let's see if we can see anything about an email list. Let's click on one of her items and see if there's not, let's check and see if she has, she doesn't look like she has an email list. And so there's so many more things. She only has 2 pictures. So go ahead, go figure. When we try to figure out everything, sometimes we're just baffled, okay, with the simple branding. And, it's just crazy. So again, guys, there's no true secret, but if you want to increase your chances of selling on Etsy, you've got to have product up there for sure. I'm going to scroll to the next one. We have Lou Mark's photo with 624 sales yesterday. Let's take a look at this shop. And let's see if this person, they do presets. Cool, because that is really popular right now. Only 164 presets. Does that go to show you what people are looking for? People are on Instagram. These are presets for your Instagram and your blog posts. If you don't know what a preset is, it makes your pictures look beautiful and bright, and it adjusts all the lighting. And that goes to show you 116,000 sales. So, You know, this person, what I'm thinking is this person might have been, Sarah Lou might have been a person on her Instagram that everybody loves her Instagram feed. This is just my guess. They love her Instagram feed. So now they want to have a preset like her Instagram feed. And that's why she can get away with only 164 items in her shop. This is probably some type of influencer. And I guarantee you, I'm going to click on her as a shop owner to see if we can find out. Let's see. Yep, Instagram, Pinterest. So I guarantee you she has probably got, let's click on her Instagram and see how many followers she has. Her traffic is coming from somewhere because, yeah, she has 34,000 followers. Look at her posts. Does that go to show you? It's just crazy. Crazy, 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 crazy that you are at an amazing time in history to make money online. If you can, really crush one platform, if you can crush it on Instagram, if you can crush it on Pinterest, you can make sales on Etsy as well. So this should be super exciting for you guys. This person here, Glitter with Grace, I checked out their site and they sell glitter paper. 400 sales yesterday. I'm telling you, anything will sell if you have the right item that people are looking for. Okay? Seriously, if you can get in the front of people that are looking for a particular product, you will do well. So this person has 1,500 items and they sell, looks like, a lot of paper, vinyl, things like that, maybe for their Cricut or Silhouette or let's see what else. Oh, they also sell, this is elastic. And so yeah, and there's really, just a wealth of information here. So what I would advise you guys to do is to go search and get inspired. Come up with your own spin on these creative shops because there is money to be made on Etsy and online, whether it's Etsy, Amazon, Shopify, Poshmark, Instagram, Facebook. There is opportunity everywhere. The only limiting factor is what you believe in your mind. So you've got to go ahead and create what it is that you want in your life. It is out there. So anyway, I hope that this was inspiring to you and opened up your eyes to possibilities. Make sure that you like this video if you do, and if you want to hear anything else, I would love to hear some comments about this video. Let me know what it is that you are selling. If you're struggling, where, maybe you had an aha moment with this video. I would love to hear from you in the comments. All right, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next YouTube video. Take care.